Welcome to the Cork Mystery Lab. This is a run through, if you missed the lab, how you can kind of make it up. I'm going to do this in a couple videos. One just showing you how to use the handout. That's what this video is about. And then I'll do one where you can at least do part of the makeup data from home. And truthfully, if you have a cup and a cork, a small cork or piece of a cork even, or a small ice cube, you could probably just do this at home without making it up at school. So first of all, just a couple side notes, scoring guide right here, and then what I expect you to be able to do right here. So I'm going to clear the screen here. So here's the deal. Let's pull up a picture. Actually, let's draw a quick picture. If I gave you a cup, clear plastic or clear glass cup, and I put some water in it, and I gave you a cork, and I said, okay, here's the cork. I want you to drop the cork right here. Oops. Drop the cork right here. My question to you is, what do you think is going to happen? It's going to float. That's not actually my question. Is it going to stay in the middle, here where you let go of it, or is it going to stay to the sides, over to one of the two sides, like that? So why don't you pause the video and think about that. What do you think's going to happen? Turns out it always floats to the side. Always floats to the side. So what you're going to do is turn back to your handout. If I can figure out how to clear all this. There we go. So turn back to your handout. We're actually going to skip all this for now. So we're going to skip this page. Find the page that says Observations 1, and I slightly shaded in dark what you have. So what you're going to do is read through this real quick, and basically anything shaded you're going to do first. So all these shaded parts, you're going to make some observations about what the cork looked like when it floated on the side. So over here, you're going to have a picture. It's going to switch, sorry. Over here, you're going to have a picture of the cup with the liquid in it. You're going to show me that the cork, even though it's put in the center, tends to migrate towards the side of the cup. You would label it. I'm doing a sloppy job, so yours would be much better, of course. You'd label it cup, cork, etc., water. So you label your drawing, okay? And you're going to describe over here what it looks like, okay? So your written observations. Now, you're going to just do these two blanks, basically. You're going to leave everything else the way it is for now. So let's go back to the front page now. Back to the front page. Alright, now this is the part of the lab that you need some materials at home to be able to do this. But basically, if you tried what I just did and you got the cork to float on the side, what you're going to do is you're going to go through and you're going to try to get the cork to float in the middle. And you can try most anything within reason. Obviously, it has to be safe at home. What kind of things could you do to get the cork to float in the middle? So try different stuff. Here you're going to write down exactly what you tried and the materials you used. Here you're going to draw a picture of what it looked like and what happened. And over here you're just going to briefly tell me the results. Did it float in the middle? Did it float in the sides? What things did you learn that you might try next time? And if you, I don't think I have a screenshot of this, but you'll notice you have a 2 on the bottom and then a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can try this 5, 6, 7 times. See what you can do to get the cork to float in the middle. And then what's going to happen is, let me go down to here again. I am going to, after you've tried all these things, and you might find some great solutions, okay, and you can have more than one solution, by the way, I'm going to give you my solution, which may or may not be different than one of yours. And you're going to make some very detailed observations about that new solution. about that new solution. So you would draw a picture right here of the new solution, and you're going to have to watch the next video to be able to do that. And you're going to describe that solution, and then you're going to explain why you think this happens down here eventually. And then after you've done that, I'm going to redirect you, and I'll use the next video where I'm actually videoing what I do to help you do this. I'm going to redirect you. Oh, it's going to switch. I'm sorry. Sorry for the switching. It's going to redirect you to observations 2, and I'm going to have you look very closely at a couple specific things, and then the final thing would be to write your modified inference after you've made those new observations. So I'll leave it at that for now.